Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to display weather details on a sleek pop-up. Perfect for minimal layouts and eye-catching visuals. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages and click Add New. Next, click the plus icon, then select the Weather card block. Choose the template you want to add to your page. Now, head over to the Settings panel on the right side. Open Forecast Data, then under Forecast Display Style, choose Pop-up. You'll see two pop-up layout options. Just pick the one you like the most. You can customize your pop-up by adjusting the pop-up trigger style. Next, choose how many forecast days you want to display. Set the hourly forecast type, selecting either 1 hourly or 3 hourly data based on the level of detail you prefer. Once everything is set the way you like, go ahead and hit Publish. Now your sleek weather pop-up is live. When visitors open it, they'll see the forecast data, additional weather details, the AQI section, all neatly organized to give them a clean, clear, and interactive weather experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.